Got that low boil, y'all. Y'all, I'm about to dig in real quick. How many people you think this feed, Rhonda? Check it out, y'all. Check it out right there. That's all them shrimp. Got the convenience store, Shiv's. Got Shiv's convenience store across the street, y'all. And we gonna go check it out, man. It's Bobo Seafood. Oh, this joint crowded, y'all. It's crowded in here. It's crowded, y'all. Check this spot out. Round again, y'all. What round again? What you getting? We gonna get a half a pan. Yo, they said EBT only accept cold food and raw food. Oh, Rhonda, junk, y'all. Oh, let's not show her number. Yeah, let's not put her numbers on here, y'all. All right. She about to get this low country bar here in Savannah, Georgia, y'all. So what I'm understanding, right, and I haven't seen it yet, but what's happening is we'll see it when it comes out. We'll see it when it comes out. Look, y'all. Rhonda got that low boil, man. Look at that. See them shrimp? There's a lot of shrimp in there, right? Let me get the door for you. Hold up. Come on out here, lady. Word is born. It's time to eat, y'all. We are here in Savannah. She got the low boil. What's that, butter?
Yeah.
Get back.
Garlic butter.
What's all is in there?
Shrimp.
Crab.
Potatoes and corn.
Potatoes, corn, and sausage. She said sausage. She said sausage, y'all. We about to leave Bobo's. There is no place to sit and eat in here. So we about to go back to the car, man. And word is born. Look at this, man. Look at the dude selling the shoes out there. Oh yeah. Savannah, this is the Savannah hood, y'all. I love it. I love it. All right. Let's go back to the car here real quick, man. Check it out. I gotta hurry up and eat, y'all, before Uncle Johnny get here. Uncle Johnny on the way. There it is, y'all. I'm about to dig in real quick. How many people you think this feed, Rhonda? Look, y'all, Rhonda's straightening up. She like, look, don't be having my house on camera. Look, Rhonda's house is nice, y'all. She remodeling. She does all that herself. All right, let's check it out, y'all. It comes in this aluminum. Oh my goodness, that's heavy. Yo, this is about 15 pounds, you think? 10 pounds? 15 pounds? Look at this. Rhonda's not helping me, y'all. Just answers. I just need answers. How do I open it? From the bottom? This is heavy, man. I feel that heat on my hand, too. All right, y'all, so look. This right here is going to feed 30 people. Psych. Oh, somebody trying to sneak up on me. See, he heard low boil in the house. Slept all day. Didn't wake up. You hungry? Look, he's just like his cousin. If I mention boiled peanuts or low boil, you on video too, man. I don't know if you want to be on video. I'm going to have to call your mama and see if you could be on video. He was, I ain't going to talk about him, y'all. I was about to go in on you, man. I ain't going to talk about you, man. He's just being a young man, that's all. All right. You wasn't asleep? I know, that's what I know, man. You supposed to be out here cutting some lawns and stuff. This is the butter. See the butter? We got the butter right there. What's this one? You heard little man, he said this hot sauce. He know more than I do. Wow. Okay, let's set that aside. What's this, y'all? What's this one? What is it called, though? It's a spicy what? Seafood seasoning? We call it Old Bay. I don't know if that's the name of this, but it's Old Bay. Look at this. Check it out right there. That's all them shrimp. Got some potatoes here. I just want a little bit of sausage, potatoes, and then, hold up. This is a lot of food, Rhonda. You were right. I'm going under. Oh, and then get a piece of crab here. That's all I need. Just that one side right there. So I got, oh, I didn't get the corn. I got the crab right there. I got the potatoes, not potatoes, but potatoes. Got the corn. This is not the corn I bought for, those were $1 each, right? I bought corn for $1 each. And y'all remember that grilled corn I got. I don't even want to talk about it, man. That $8 really still hurt my pocket. And I have sausage here. What kind of sausage is this? It looked like kielbasa, right? You think it's spicy?
Got a little kick to it.
And I got shrimp. I was dropping some shrimp. Look at the shrimp. Shrimp is an okay size, medium shrimp. Let's taste some sausage first. We're gonna use our Carolina forks the whole time through. That sausage is a little spicy, y'all. Y'all see it over here too, right? Uh-oh, almost dropped my potato. Put hot sauce on.
I'm dipping it.
Look at that butter, y'all. I'm gonna just put some butter on the corn. I feel like shaking this butter up. You think I should shake it up? Cause it ain't real butter. Oh, look at that. She said it's real butter, but it's just getting cold. So Rhonda said you seen her hand just now, right? She said she wasn't eating because she had, I ain't gonna bust out. I ain't busting my cousin out. This is good. That sausage was really tasty. I taste the spices in my mouth. Red potato. Really tender and buttery. I wonder what they boil these in because it has a flavor to it. Now, red potatoes are delicious anyway, but they have a flavor. I'm going right through, y'all. I got this butter. That ain't butter. I mean, I get it, it's butter. It's more like margarine, y'all. I'm gonna just spread it over because it's missing that like salty, buttery taste. So don't expect real butter. If you want real butter, bring your own. Corn. You know what? I shouldn't have put the butter on the corn. The corn has a real delicious flavor too. Do you know if they boil all of this together?
They steam it.
Steam it together. That's good. That's what I came to Savannah for, y'all. This is the only reason. This is the only reason I came down here. I call them low balls. Some people call them low country. They call it low country boil. I just call them low boils. I love it. You see that place was packed. A lot of people from the community is coming here. I want to eat all of this corn right now. But we got to move on to the shrimp. Let's move to the shrimp. That's right. Little man back, y'all. He said, yeah, that's right. Now we know how to get him up.
No, actually.
Uh-oh, he got an explanation.
And I went in the bathroom
Mm-hmm.
and I smelled food.
You smelled the food, right? Did it smell good? I know, y'all. He said, look. He said he was taking a nap. I'm going to cover for him. He was taking a short nap. And he woke up to go wash his face. I'm rewriting the story. He woke up to go wash his face. And he said, what's that smell? Smells delicious. And I keep looking this way, y'all, because it looks like cars are pulling up because they smell it all the way down the street.
That's the, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a cream color pop.
The flavor in this shrimp is delicious. Y'all know I love shrimp. Okay, just to let you know, the shrimp are just boiled whole. They are not cleaned out. So this one have a little shrimp boo-boo in it. So we got to get that out of there. Huh? I can't tell you everything, man. You got to learn some things. You got to learn some things for yourself.
I ate it one time.
All these years, right? Look, I'm telling you, sometimes I've just, who that out there playing music?
Yeah, I think that's
So we got this here. We got the potatoes. Uncle Johnny is knocking at the door. This is probably the livest video that we've done. Look, you even have the crab, y'all. Look at that. I heard that all of the locations do not have the crab, but this location actually have the crab.
You gotta heat the butter up.
The crab is small. We do need to heat the butter up. Y'all heard him? So let's check. Oh, got the meat right there. That's good. Y'all know I love crabs too. What's up, family? I'm sitting here doing a video.
DV Max.
That's Uncle Johnny, y'all. I don't know why he keep calling me cousin. That's my uncle, man. He is my cousin, but we're going to play the uncle thing all the way through. That's it, man. That's what's in a low boil. I'm going to get me some more later on. I'm really thirsty right now. So.
I cut all that shit off.
This your man, mattdv. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people, but you hanging with the right cat now. I love you, love all y'all. This is what I wanted, man. This low boil, low country boil. See y'all at the next one. Peace. We're going to get some footage of Uncle Johnny, all right? When I say peace, that don't necessarily mean go, because we got a lot of comedy coming right now. You can believe that. Hey, Uncle Johnny. Hey. Hold on, you ain't got to get up. We can get you right from there. What's going on, man? Oh, that's a wide shot. That is a wide. You might have to come on up, man. Come up and talk to the people. Tell them what's going on with you, man. He's on. Uh-oh, we got Ron doing it. I'm sorry, y'all. Hold on. Go ahead, Ronnie. His name's Ronnie, Uncle Johnny. Tell him what's going on, man.
We're here down here in Savannah, Georgia. Enjoying the Bobo's daggone low country bowl.
Bobo's.
And you know what? There ain't no place like Bobo.
Tell us about the country ball, man.
Tell you, low country bowl down here, boy, he boils them salted down nice in the seafood mix when you got it going on.
Y'all heard? Let me interpret it. He said little country ball like that down here. Had that delicious seafood mix and they got it going on. Go ahead.
Potatoes are soft. Corn is soft. Corn is so nice and soft you ain't got to add nothing to it.
Okay, he said the corn is so nice and soft that you don't even have to add anything to it. Go ahead, Johnny. Go ahead. I'll interpret for you, brother.
You butter it down and let your lips do the rest.
He said he puts his lips on. Can't talk like that right now. On the butter it down and let your lips do the rest. You don't even need chapstick after you have the butter from here, man.
If you ain't got no teeth like I don't, you can still eat that.
Oh, see now, Johnny, they probably didn't know you didn't have teeth. You didn't have to expose yourself that way.
You can gum it down. That's how good it is. Let me tell you now.
Y'all know when we growing up in the streets of Newark, some people are trying to try you, you know? It's always good to have that older uncle walking around, you know? So I remember growing up, you know, in the 90s in Newark, New Jersey, you have my Uncle Johnny. He's about, how old is he now, about 92? He's at least, I know he's in his late 80s, early 90s, but because he was a good, strong man back then, you know? But now it's just, we just take care of him, make sure he gets his, make sure he has his diaper on, make sure we change his diaper for him and have his,
And give him Insure.
and his Insure. I couldn't think of the name of that milk. I wanted to say milk so bad. We make sure. Anyway, I'm about to go, man. I love you cats. We out. Peace. Here in Savannah, Georgia, eating a low country boil.